Hi, I'm Vanessa.
And I'm Yao.
And we're the customer support team at Kapwing.
For those of you who don't know, Kapwing is a free online content editing and creation platform. Examples of things you can do on Kapwing are trim a video or make a meme.
So your workspace on Kapwing is actually kind of like your storage drive that stores all of your projects, whether they're completed or if they're still works in progress. For free users, you can store your content up to 7 days, which means after 7 days you won't be able to access them. But for pro users, you can access them for an unlimited amount of time. A lot of users have actually been emailing us asking about how to change their login or sign-in information so that they can share their account or share their workspace with someone else. But we actually have a feature that makes this a lot easier.
Yeah, so the benefits of sharing your workspace using this feature is that you don't have to give your login information to anyone else, and they will have access to all your projects. And you can also collaborate in real time. So like if you're working on editing a video, someone else who has access to your workspace could be editing the same video with you.
If you want to learn how to share your workspace on Kapwing,
keep watching!
So to start, you just go to kapwing.com and you go to your workspace. So for this video, I'm going to create a new workspace to share with Yao. I'm going to name it Very, Very Serious Customer Relations Stuff. After I've named my workspace, I'm just going to go to share up here in the right corner, and then I'm going to invite Yao by email. But you can also invite by link, so you would just copy this link and then send it through email or chat or however else to the person that you want to share it with. So once I've put in Yao's email, I just click send invite, and then she's gonna get an email that invites her to Kapwing.
So I got this email from Vanessa to join a very, very serious customer relations stuff on Kapwing. So what I'm gonna do is click join now, and it will redirect me here where I could accept the invite. And I'm gonna continue with Google. I was already signed in with my email, so it should just be automatic. Now that I'm in this workspace, I could create a new project by clicking this right here. And then, now that I'm done, I could just click publish. And this can be found in your workspace, like going back there. And so here's the meme that I just made.
A few moments later.
Yao just told me that she made a meme in our shared workspace to share with me. So I'm gonna go take a look. I just have to go to kapwing.com, and I've already logged into my Gmail here, so I just have to go straight to my account. Let's see what she made. This is so relevant. And that's how you share your workspace on Kapwing. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a like and to comment down below to let us know what you think.
Also, check out the description box below for the link to Kapwing, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.
Kapwing!